Augment Code versus Cursor versus Windsurf. So Augment Code is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps developers write, debug, and optimize code directly in their IDE. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers strong AI assistance for coding and debugging. It integrates with existing workflows and the IDEs. It is also collaboration friendly for teams, and it's useful for increasing coding efficiency. The cons, though, it is still a new platform with limited reach, and it may lack the advanced ecosystem of a more established tool. Now, Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-first code editor designed to enhance the developer experience. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It is built on top of VS Code with a familiar interface. It has an excellent AI-powered auto-completion and degeneration. It also comes with constant updates and strong community adoptions, and it's great for individual developers and fast prototyping. The cons is though, it requires an internet connection for AI features, and some advanced features may need a paid plan, and it can be resource heavy on large projects. Then lastly we have is Windsurf. It positions itself as an IDE for AI built for agents, focusing on pairing human developers with AI for complex tasks. So let's talk about the pros. It's designed for AI agent assisted development, and it's great for handling complex coding tasks with the AI support. It is also built as a full IDE, not just an extension, and it has a forward-looking approach to human AI collaboration. The cons is though, it is still in the early stage with limited user base, and it may have a learning curve for new users. So overall, if you want a familiar AI-enhanced coding experience, Cursor is the best option, and Augment Code is solid for team collaboration. And then Windsurf is the most future-focused IDE with AI agent partnerships.